Okay, this is for my new project for 513, and I'm going to attempt to create using this box, and I don't do art, so I'm going to use these little cutouts. I'm going to have like a school bus that lights up, and hopefully have like the school bus arm come down as those students were crossing the street. So we'll see how this madness turns out. Okay, here is an update on the school bus. So I took out the back of, I should say I took the back off of this box. I'm gonna have a servo in there, and then have the, I guess, this bus arm come down like this. Hopefully this will work. I started writing a little bit of code, and here's the other side of the bus. I'll try to mount the circuit board inside here somewhere. I'm also gonna have some lights. I don't know if I want the lights up here. Maybe a light right on the end of it here. I'm gonna get a red one and come down and light up as though the kids are coming off the bus or getting on the bus. So we'll see. Okay, so here's the progress. I think most of the code's written, and I think it works pretty good. But this is what you're looking at here, the little bus. And I'm gonna get this to stay on, and the lights will come on, and then that'll raise up and then raise back down, and we'll see. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so here is what I think is going to be the final product here. So here's my bus, and there's my code, and down here is the sensor. And how it's supposed to work is, when the bus has when something goes in front of the bus, hence like this, the lights come on, and eventually when the kids cross the street, it goes back up and the light should shut off. And do it again. And there we go. So that is my project.